to find and sync contacts on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. Click on Account Center. After you're in the Account Center, click on Your Information and Permissions. And here, click on Upload Contacts. After you click on Upload Contacts, click on Connect Contacts and turn this on. After you turn this on, contacts will be turned on and it will sync your contacts on Instagram, and it will help you connect with people you know on Instagram. And this is how to find and sync contacts on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.